If Instagram video calls aren't working and you're seeing a message about permissions, don't worry. This is a common problem but the easy solution. So why is Instagram video call isn't working? This usually happens when Instagram does not have permission to use your camera or microphone, your Instagram app is out of date, or your internet connection is unstable and the app has a temporary glitch. So the good news is it's easily fixed. First of all, go ahead and allow camera and microphone access to Instagram. Tap and hold onto the application, tap on the eye icon in the top, then go ahead and open permissions and make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app, especially the camera and microphone setting. You can also try clearing the cache. Scroll down, go to storage, then click on clear cache, come back and go to the battery section and make sure that it's set to unrestricted or optimized. Also check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Make sure that your internet connection is stable as video calls require a strong connection. And also update the Instagram application. For that, you need to go ahead and open the Play Store or App Store according to your device, whether you're using iPhone or Android. Then simply search for Instagram application. If you see an update button instead of open highlighted in blue color, go ahead and tap on it to update it to its latest and newest version available. You can also log out and log back in, as logging back will refresh your account permissions and settings. And always check the video call availability. Both users must follow each other, and video calling might not work on restricted or business accounts. Some reasons may have temporary limits on this feature as well. So your Instagram account is safe. This is related to your settings. Once you allow the necessary permissions, video calling should work normally. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.